All right, well, branding goes way back. And that's when branding originally, it was just to do what? Identify your cow. Your initials would be on there, and that was your cow, that was your farm, that was what, that was your cattle. And that's all it is an identifier. So when we brand our company today, it's only an identifier. Your brand strength is what branding is all about. It's what people, it's only one thing. It's how people identify your company and what they think about you. Do I need to say it should be consistent? Your branding has to be consistent. Your colors of your logo matter. We're not red and black this year, and then, well, next year we'll probably do green and, then maybe blue after that. No, we've been red and black from day one since 1990. We've been red and black. So we all have the same look. When you see tomorrow morning, we're going to have a 30-minute tour on video, and then we're going to walk out in the parking lot, and you're going to get to see a live McAfee service truck, a live McAfee installation box truck, a live McAfee air duct cleaning truck, and a brand new Transit that we just got wrapped, and it's here. I haven't even seen it yet. Is what you do in your company important? Yes. Does it have relevance? Does it matter? If your company goes out of business today, what happens to your community about it? Does anything change? No. Should it? I want to ask you, I want you to think about that. If your company goes under today and there's no change, maybe something's wrong.